vitamin C powder, why our body needs more vitamin C, and how to find the best vitamin C supplement for your needs. In today's Monday series about the best supplements, we're going to talk about Ester C and liquid liposomal C, the two best supplements that I've found for vitamin C. In the first part, we're going to talk about vitamin C benefits and why most of us have an increased need of vitamin C. And in the second part, I'm going to present you these two options and you can choose the best one, what works best for you. Okay guys, welcome to the Monday series of the best supplements. My name is Peggy from PeggySherman.com. I also welcome you warmly to this channel, Gut Feelings, here to support you to become your own health expert. So you have all the energy you need to bring your gifts into the world and to enjoy a thriving and fulfilling life together with your body. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button so we can stay in touch and build this community of gut feelers and health experts. Now, today's theme, vitamin C, best supplement, how to find it, and why most of us are in need for more vitamin C. Now, before we start, I have a question for you. What's the first thing that comes into your mind, into your association, if you hear this word vitamin C? 1, 2, 3. Is it something about the immune system? Have you thought of oranges or lemons, or maybe even having a cold or lying in bed with the flu and then having your hot lemon or using some vitamin C powder to boost your immune system? Well, I must admit that was the first thing I was thinking of when I heard vitamin C. Many years ago, immune system helps to fight off cold, but there's so much more to that. And I love to share 3 major areas where vitamin C helps us nowadays and why our body often lacks it. One of the major health benefits of vitamin C is it helps with any kinds of chronic illnesses, chronic symptoms. Because what it does is it increases the white blood cells in our body. And that has an effect on the strength of our immune system, on our ability to fight off bacteria, viruses, any kinds of mold, yeast, fungus, parasites, whatever we have in our system. Vitamin C is a great ally there to lower our chronic illness symptoms and help us to get out of the illness as well. The second one, think of vitamin C as a big cleansing support. Vitamin C helps to cleanse our liver, yay, liver cleansing, our blood, and our lymphatic system. In our lymphatic system, we often also store all kinds of residues of bacteria, for example, strep. If you suffer from acne, if you have allergies, then often strep is also here in the sinus area where you get the sneezing and the itchy eyes and the allergic reaction happens. So here vitamin C, great support. It also helps to detox our body. It flushes out medical residues that we have already for a long time, especially stored in our liver. It reduces the toxicity in our body by flushing out toxic heavy metals. This is often an issue if we suffer from chronic illnesses and we take a lot of medications, which often, by the way, also contain heavy metals, but also are a burden in and by itself, all these chemicals. So think about vitamin C there as a detoxing help. And the third health benefit of vitamin C is related to your energy levels. If you think about your energy levels, there are 2 organs that need to come to mind. This is liver. We talked about the liver before, and now the adrenal glands. Our adrenal glands are often fatigued because we suffer from stress, the way we live. It's just the way how the world works right now. If you drink any kind of coffee, tea, anything that pushes, alcohol also damages the adrenal glands, not only the liver. Most of us have an issue with our adrenal glands and with our energy levels. Vitamin C can help there boost us to have more energy in our daily life. Now let's look into how to get vitamin C. Well, the best and natural way to get vitamin C is through fruits. Most fruits contain vitamin C, but especially oranges, tangerines, lemon, watermelon also contains vitamin C because you can eat so much of it and lots of fruit water in there as well. And then also one secret tip, what you might not know, there's a vegetable which contains immense amount of vitamin C, and that's fennel. So if you juice fennel, you drink fresh pressed fennel juice, you also got a great boost of vitamin C there. Important is that you don't heat it because vitamin C is not heat stable and get destroyed by heat. So fresh fennel juice, great way here. Now, if you suffer from chronic illnesses or you want to see results faster than before, using a vitamin C supplement that is body friendly and that your body can work with, that is not aggressive to your digestive system, can be a good choice. Now let's talk about the two best vitamin C supplements. The first one is called Ester C. It's very gentle on your digestive system. It doesn't contain all this acidity that normal vitamin C powders contain. Yeah, if you just have this white powder, it's problematic for your gut because it's so acidic, and it's also not absorbed very well because it's just a chemical, it's just ascorbic acid just put into your body. Our body is not used to this kind of isolated chemical, so it's actually hard on the liver and on the digestive system. And you can't really absorb it because it's not in a natural form. Ester C, however, comes together with bioflavonoids, and it's incredibly helpful for repairing our neurotransmitters in the brain. Our neurotransmitters get damaged by toxicity, by heavy metals, especially by all kinds of viruses. They can store up also in the brain area, actually cause short circuits. Yeah, this also has an effect on how we feel. People often think if we talk about neurotransmitters, it's just about the mind and if you can think clearly, but it's also all kinds of neuroses that comes together with mood swings. Really, neurotransmitters, they have an effect on our whole body, on our psyche, on our emotional well-being. So this is a huge benefit even if you don't have any brain diseases. Another health benefit of Ester C is that it lowers the toxicity in your liver, and it also supports your adrenals to heal. Which again, if you think about liver and adrenal glands, think about having more energy, being more ready for the day when you wake up in the morning. Just really has a big effect there. The way to take that is with vitamin C, you always start slowly because you want to test how your body reacts to this powerful supplement. So Ester C, I recommend to take first start with 1 capsule, and then you can increase to 2 capsules per day. Yeah, 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening. The second supplement is liquid liposomal C. Now there's something important to say about liposomal C, because right now there's like a big wave on we all need to take liposomal C, and everybody who has a little laboratory comes up with a new liposomal C. The problem is it's often super low quality. It's produced from GMO plants, often from soy. Yeah, it contains soy lecithins, and it's highly aggressive for your body if it's not produced well. The one that I recommend for you is liquid liposomal C, which is GMO free. It's not produced in China. They get their vitamin C from Scotland actually, and they get the lecithin from the Netherlands, and the lecithin is not GMO and it's not from soy, it's made out of sunflower. Why is that so important? Because soy products can actually feed streptococcus in our body. A lot of people have chronic illnesses which are based on a resistant strain of strep. So you definitely want to avoid soy in your supplements. And of course also GMO and all kinds of preservatives, which can cause a big issue for your liver and actually work against you and against your healing. Now, liquid liposomal C is really an advanced kind of vitamin C because it enters directly the bloodstream. Yeah, it has a very strong detoxing effect. It works immediately. Now, this is great if you want to heal fast. It also means that you can potentially have a detoxing effect. That's why I recommend I give you a special tip how to get the benefits but don't have the detox effect. Take that together with Hawaiian Spirulina, because once the vitamin C draws off the heavy metals, all the pathogens from your body, from your inner organs, and they come into the bloodstream, you want to have Hawaiian Spirulina to sponge this up and transport it out safely from your body through the colon, through the stool, so you can really get rid of it and it doesn't get reabsorbed by the liver, which often happens. Now, because this liquid liposomal C has such a high potency and a high bioavailability, you actually want to increase it slowly. So start with half a tablespoon, and if you take the Hawaiian Spirulina with that and you don't have any detox symptoms, any kinds of strong detox symptoms that you can't stand, then you can increase to 1 tablespoon per day. I'm going to link you the product down below, and it's exactly for 1 month if you take 1 tablespoon per day. It's for 30 servings, so it gives you a good overview on how much you need. Okay guys, this was the meat of the video. If you have any questions, just pop them in the comments. I'm curious. And now I have one question for you, and that is, which of the 2 options do you want to try out? Do you want to go for Ester C and see how you go with that, or with the liquid liposomal C? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, give me feedback, give me a thumbs up, so I know you want more of this kind of content. And for now, nothing more to say than have a lovely day. I see you in the next video, and happy healing. Bye bye.